not attempt to drive around. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ocean County, southeastern Mercer County, southwestern Monmouth County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Edinburgh, or 7 miles east of Trenton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Trenton, Jackson, Howell, Hightown, Allentown, Roosevelt, Cassville, Adelphia, Clarksburg, Vista Center, Edinburgh, Whitehorse, Windsor, Twin Rivers, Six Flags Theme Park, Imleestown, Mercerville, Hamilton Square, Green Ridge, Freewood Acres, and Jackson's Mills. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 8A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 28. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 61 and 67. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for central Essex County in northeastern New Jersey until 8:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Lyndhurst. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bloomfield, Orange, Caldwell, Fairfield, East Orange, West Orange, Montclair, Belleville, Livingston, Nutley, Verona, Cedar Grove, West Caldwell, Glen Ridge, North Caldwell, and Roseland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Essex, New Jersey,